welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. We are playing with some color today. I'm so freaking excited. We are playing with the Jaclyn Hill slash Morphe Brushes Vault palette. Where is the, I was trying to find the other palette that I used. So there are 4 palettes in the collection. Let me just show you all of them. This is the first one right here. This is called Armed and Gorgeous, and it is so darn stunning. And then this one is called Ring the Alarm. This one is like the typical palette that I would usually go towards, but today I wanted to challenge myself and do something new. But I will probably use this palette next week for another tutorial that I'm planning out. You know, it's back to school season, so. And this one is Dark Magic. This one is very challenging. I really should play with this one and see what I can create. I would never ever touch these colors in my life, so that would be fun. And then the palette that I used today is called Bling Boss. And I just love this one. This one is still fun, but it's still something that I would definitely wear. I thought the formulation was so good. Now here's the thing. They were gonna launch, I think, last month, and then they said that they had to change their formulation, so I never got to play with the first batch of palettes. I only got to play with the brand new ones. So these are the brand new ones that are launching in a few days, so I am not able to compare the first palettes and the second batch for you guys, so that is like the only downfall. But there are so many videos out there where people are able to compare, so I would definitely watch that and see what you guys think of it. But if you are interested in getting these palettes, they do launch in a few days. I'll put all the information down in the description bar down below. There's also a discount code that you guys can use if you would like, but FYI, I do get a small portion every time you use my Morphe Brushes discount code. So other than that, I also played with the, oh, I love this one. This is I Love Sarahi's collaboration with Dose of Colors called Soulmate. This highlight is so freaking beautiful. I love it. I had a little problem with my lip color, but I think it's okay. It's just very different. Like today, it's just something that I wouldn't usually do, but it's good to challenge yourself and kind of be creative and just practice once in a while. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids. And this is gonna prime my eyes for all the shadows to go on. And I'm just using Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand. And we are going to use our Beauty Blender to blend that onto our lids. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe R39 brush and take the color right here. This color is called Hush, and I'm going to take Hush and put that in the crease area and just kind of lightly build it up. So what I like to do is I like to dab and kind of place it where I want it, and then we gently go back and do miniature circular motions to blend it out. I don't really like to go back and forth. Just miniature circular motions will really help blend everything out and kind of have a really nicer gradient effect. And I'm bringing this shadow pretty high, but not all the way to my brows, leaving a little bit of space. And I'm also dragging it out a little bit right here. Next, I'm going to go in with the Morphe M433 and go in with the color Sparks right here. It's the one on the edge. And I'm going to do the same thing, but keep that pretty low right under the color that we just applied. And keep it in the crease area as well. I just noticed that I was at the pool this past weekend and my nose is peeling. I was like, what is all of that? But my nose is peeling, so if you guys see weird stuff on my nose, that's the reason why. I'm gonna go in with Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes and light sands. This goes beautifully with the eyes as well, which I love. And for highlight, I'm so excited. This is the I Love Sarahi and Dose of Colors collaboration. Karen is the nicest person in the world. I love her so much. So I had to buy this. Packaging is so beautiful. I'm also going to use one of her lippies, which makes me so excited. This came in the mail last week. And this is her highlight in Soulmate. I am so darn excited to try this out. So let's get started. I'm really excited to highlight. Hang on, let me just find the perfect highlighting brush because, okay, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M510. Very fluffy highlighting brush. Take a little bit of that, or a lot, and ooh. Highlight. And I also just want to bring some color on the lower lash line. You guys know I'm not usually comfortable with that, but I feel like it's going to be a really good balance. So I'm going to go in with Hush, which was the first color we did. You know what, for me, I feel like Hush under the eyes is perfect because my eye shape, all of the color that I put in the lower lash line always smear, but you're more than welcome to put a darker shade. I would probably put Rockstar and Mystic in the lower lash line just to make it really smoky. And then for lips, I'm gonna go in with Karen's collaboration with Dose of Colors. She also came out with some lippies. This is Nude Chica, and I feel like since the eyes are just so bold, the lips can be a little bit settled, so it's just really pretty. this lip color for maybe something more bold, or you can be a little bit more muted with a nude. Okay friends, that is it for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. I will see you then. Bye my loves.